This is day number 2 of the series where I make a game every day, but every game that I make, I add 1 more minute to the timer. Today's day 2, so I have 2 minutes to make it. I decided to go for a simple platforming game. I started out by making a simple player cube, because I'm not going to make an entire sprite just for a 2-minute game. And then I also created the floor, which is the entire map, because I'm not going to create obstacles or jumping. And after I created the floor, I went on and I made a circle. And to that circle, I wanted it to be the flag, and when you touch it, it resets you. But I didn't exactly have time for that, so it's just there. After that, I added box colliders to everything, and I added a rigid body to the player so I can actually control it. And then I started working on the movement script. The movement script was really simple. It was really only 1 line of code, and I just took the rigid body components and I added a force to it based on the horizontal input, and that's just a really easy way to make a movement script with 1 line if you need one. After that, I was practically done, and I saw that I have 15 seconds left, so I just did a really quick playtest, and I saw that what I was multiplying it by was way too much, so with my last remaining seconds, I went back into the script and adjusted it just in time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Here's the final result showing on the screen right now. If you like the series, then stay tuned, because I'm going to try and post it every day. If I can't, I'll skip a couple days, but I'll try. Thank you for watching again, and goodbye.